Hello everyone, welcome to Monkey Art, and today we're gonna draw baby Super Mario. So we're gonna start by drawing his big nose. Then we're gonna make his cute little eyes. Just like that. And we're gonna make some circles. Like that. Cool. Let's do the same thing on the other side. You know, Super Mario always tries to catch those coins and mushrooms and also some flowers, which help him on his challenge. And he tries to save Princess Peach from the evil giant turtle, Bowser. Let's help him achieve that. And did you know that Super Mario also can be doctor and plumber and go-kart racer? That's cool. Okay, now we're gonna draw his cute little face, just like that. Gonna make another dot. Cool. Let's go up a bit. Here as well. And we're gonna add him some hair. Just like that. And how about we add him some ears? Cool. Now we can make that cute little hat he has, so he's always wearing red hat and blue overall. That's his special cool outfit. Let's add some eyebrows as well. And what we are missing, the top of the hat. Let's make that as well. We're gonna put one dot here and there. Let's help our hero Super Mario. There we go. And letter M. Cool. And now we're gonna draw his cute little body. So he will be baby. So we're gonna draw tiny body, just like this. Then we're gonna make his cute funny diapers. That. And on the bottom as well. Cool. Now we're gonna make some legs. And also some feet. There it goes, our Super Mario. Cool. And we have completed drawing his feet and legs. Let's just add 2 lines here for his hands, and there we go. We have completed the drawing part. And let's see, what have we made? Wow! Baby Super Mario! I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson and see you next time! If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.